Hi, I'm Sarah. Today I'll teach you practical camping skills you can actually use. Here's what you need to pack, just the essentials to stay light and prepared. Always pick flat ground and stake your tent firmly like this. A fire ring keeps your campfire contained, safety first.
Navigation skills are vital. Learn to read a compass and map.
Simple meals cooked outdoors keep your energy up and your pack light.
Always filter or boil water before drinking. It's essential for safety.
Camping builds confidence and calm. Ready to start your adventure?